how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. Both apps are widely used for payments and financial transactions, and each has a cash balance feature for transferring funds between banks and sending payments. Here's the most efficient way to move money from Cash App to PayPal. First, let's start in Cash App. And to move the money from our Cash App to PayPal, we'll tap the Cash Out button on the top left corner. Here we can adjust the money to send and tap Cash Out. There's an option for an instant transfer with a small fee, or we can choose the standard transfer, which takes a few business days and skips the fee. We'll go with the standard transfer option. Now the amount that we just sent is on its way to our bank account. Once the transfer is completed, we'll switch to PayPal. To add the money from our bank to PayPal, we'll tap on Add Money from Bank or Card. Here, we can enter the amount that we want. We'll use the debit card option for an instant, fee-free transfer that moves the funds in seconds, and tap Add Now button. After a quick refresh, our PayPal balance is added up with the money that we just sent from Cash App. Now you can use the money to send payments to other PayPal users or transfer it back to your own bank if needed. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.